In a world where reality and digital realms blur, an invisible conductor leads the orchestra. Can you guess who it is? No, it's not a person, but an unseen force. A force that's shaping your digital life without you even knowing it. In our fast-paced digital world, there's an unseen force guiding us. It's called artificial intelligence, or AI. Like a quiet conductor leading an orchestra, it directs our online journey. Do you know the movie The Matrix? A place where reality was an illusion. It was made by machines, but we're not that far off today. Behind every like, every share, every post we make, a set of rules called algorithms are keeping track. Now, these aren't thinking, feeling beings like in those sci-fi movies, but their influence is just as strong. They're shaping our lives and transforming how we think, feel, and interact. Every day, we walk further into a digital world that reflects our choices back at us. It's like walking in a house of mirrors, each image a reminder of what we've shown interest in. These AIs are the architects designing our online experience. But we need to be careful. Each step we take leaves a digital footprint. Our likes, our dislikes, our secrets, they're all being collected, analyzed, and sometimes sold. It's a bit like that movie, Minority Report, but there's no future crime to predict, just the quiet trading of our digital secrets. It feels like we're living in a real-life episode of Black Mirror, where privacy is spent with every click and every swipe. In Ex Machina, the film where an AI knew us better than we knew ourselves, that's not so far from reality. These algorithms now know us sometimes even better than who we know ourselves. But it's not all doom and gloom. And this isn't a warning of some impending disaster of some sort. It's a wake-up call. In this digital dance, we're not just the audience, we're the stars. So remember this, the internet, social media, all these platforms, they're just tools. They're here to be our servants and serve us, not the other way around. We have the power to question, to change, to decide. So the next time you open Facebook, Instagram, keep this in mind. You are more than just a consumer. You're a unique individual with thoughts, dreams, and the power to influence your own digital path. We're stepping into a new age where humans and technology can live side by side. But even in the face of the smartest AI, our greatest strength is, and always will be, our human spirit. Thanks a lot for watching. If you want to watch more interesting videos on engineering and the world today, you can watch this video. And the YouTube AI thinks that you're going to love this video. Thanks a lot. See you in the next one.